Hey everyone, this is just Rohan. This is Rohan here. Today I've been playing robeats. I've been playing robeats for a very long time. I just haven't really made a video of it, so why not? I just like playing fun games and then recording them, because I don't know why I like recording. So I already have all these songs, but I can try to get a new one. So here's all the songs that are out today. I'm gonna try to save up for Thunder. That's what I'm gonna do for today's video. Just save up for Thunder. My hardest song I have is Sandstorm. That song I saved up forever because it's my favorite. Not my favorite song, but it's an awesome song. Let's go. Hurry up. There we go. Someone's doing Alone? Ooh, I'm voting for Alone. Alone. Yes. They voted for my song. No, not my song. For this song. I never really got to get this song. It was out before, but I never got it. Hurry up. Do. How am I last place? I haven't missed any, and they're all perfect ones I'm hitting. So I don't know how I'm last place. Sadly, you can't hear this song, but otherwise it's a good song. It's by Marshmello. If you want to hear it, just go on YouTube and search Marshmello Alone. That's what the song's called. Because you can't really hear it in here. Because I'm using a recorder, you can't hear unless you buy Pro, so sorry about that. It might actually be good, because this might be copyright. Let's get that combo. No, I lost it. It's weird, but I've been using the starter control thing, which, like when you start, you use, I forgot, but the controls you start with is, I just kept the controls you start with, and I'm still using the starter controls. And the starter controls, I like them, which is kind of weird. So that's how I play, if you're wondering. I do that because then I can use my mouse at the same time. Because then I can, like, talk and chat and stuff. How did I do so... What? Oh, so close to beating him. Oh, man. Gangnam Style. I should do a harder song. Uptown Funk It Up. And then after this is Shoe Pineapple Pin. That song's just funny. Oh! Let's go. I said that right before it said start. I forgot what song this was, so I'm gonna do it. Of course it gets voted. Yay! Shh. This is actually a cool song. I'm not that good at robeats. I'm okay. I'm okay against... It's just out of nowhere, I started never winning. Because I used to always win. Now I'm just not. Maybe it's because I'm voting for two hard songs. I can't really handle that hard song. The only good hard song I can handle without missing so much is Gangnam Style. I should play Bloxburg. That's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna record playing Bloxburg. Like a tour of my house. Because I've been playing for Bloxburg for a long time. It's one of my favorite games. Oh, this song is pretty cool. That seems like a really long song. Boogers. Okay. I won't do pen and open. Vote for my song. Ready? Actually, what song does she have? It's weird, but I usually just vote for the songs I never heard of because then you can hear a new song for once in a while. And robeats. I like doing that to songs I don't have. It's a weird song so far. It's kind of hard. He's actually failing. Never mind. He's catching up. Oh no, not doing that good. Gotta watch out for the time limit on this corner. Because these songs are kind of long. Several minutes long. So I'm worried that they would end. I think I always mess up when I start talking. I'm just gonna go silence. How am I losing? I did so good. Oh, see, I was bad at the first, and then I did really good in the end, but I lost. Ugh. Ugh. Pineapple pen. Okay, this time, finally, do my song. Oh, no, that song looks cool. I'm never actually gonna do my song. It's just getting ridiculous. Oh, he voted for my song. Oh, never mind. Done. Do. This is probably the best song in the game just because they turned a video into a song. It was just a normal video and they made it a song. I don't know how this counts as a song. Do. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. Pen. Apple pen. Ridiculous. Here's the part they turned into a song. This part wasn't a song before. Comment apple pineapple if you have the song. Because I haven't really seen anyone that has a song before. I don't know. I might be one of the only people that has it. Just kidding. A bunch of people probably have it. This song is just silly. There. One more song and I can get the new one. No, never mind. I can get this reward and automatically get it. Yeah. Okay. Thunder. It's actually kind of hard looking. Well, I'm gonna do the new song. Do. Thunder. Here we go. After this, I'm probably have to end video. Oh my goodness, this is hard. Just right when it starts, it's hard. Sheesh. I completely forgot I was making a video. That happens when I play robeats. Not really, because I never made a video on robeats. It's crazy. I just completely forgot I was making a video. Hope it doesn't annoy you that I automatically just go silent for no reason. Actually, it might annoy you when I talk more. Well, that's going to be the end of this because I don't have any time. Please subscribe and like, and goodbye. Have a great day and everything. I don't have any more time. It's going to end. There it goes. Bye.